Hi everyone, welcome to Quality Insights by Patent Cloud. In this video, we'll show you how to use the overview in Quality Insights. The overview page lets you know the patent status, prosecution history, and even the post-grant proceedings, thus saving you time and increasing your efficiency. The applicable date is calculated by the system based on the prior art definitions from the US patent law, an applicant date and/or priority date of the patent. In the overview of post-grant proceedings and prosecution history, you can review the summary of the legal events on a single page. Take a closer look at the overview of the prosecution history. On each event, click through to get a side-by-side display of the original PDF file and OCR file for an awesome reading experience. Review the party of the event, date of filing, legal basis, correspondent claims to the legal basis, and prior art references used to limit the claim scope in an easy-to-read table. Thanks for watching.